Finding highest common factor of two or more numbers. So common factors first. So factors are numbers that can multiply into another number. So 2 times 9 is 18, 6 times 3 is 18. So 2, 9, 6 and 3 are factors of 18. 4 times 4 is 16. 2 times 8 is 16. So 4, 2 and 8 are factors of 16, and there are times we have to find common factors of two or more numbers. We can see in this example 2 is a common factor of both 16 and 18, and there are times when we have to find highest common factor. So there are a number of methods that you can use to find highest common factor of two or more numbers, and there is a method that is known as prime factorization that people frequently use to find highest common factor of two or more numbers. So prime numbers are the numbers that can be evenly divided into themselves either by 1 or themselves. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are examples of prime numbers. So 2 does not have any other factor other than itself or 1. So 3 does not have any other factor other than itself or 1. 5 does not have any other factor other than itself or 1. 7 does not have any other factors other than itself or 1. So these are examples of prime numbers. And the opposite of prime numbers is composite numbers. So 2 times 9 is 18 and 6 times 3 is 18. So in this example, 9 is a composite factor of 18 and 2 is a prime factor of 18. 6 is a composite factor of 18 and 3 is a prime factor of 18. In order to find the highest common factor of these three numbers, you'll have to find prime factors of these three numbers first. So draw an upside down division box, write down the number in it and find the smallest prime number that can divide into this number, so which is in this case is 2. 2 is the smallest prime number that can divide into this. 2 times 18 is 36 and 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 1 is 3. So all these numbers now are prime numbers and these are prime factors. So 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 18 times 2 is 36. So we have found prime factors of 36. Now 2 is twice there, so 2 to the power of 2, and 3 is also twice there, so 3 to the power of 2. So this is the prime factorization of 36. Now the prime factors of 72. So 2 times 36 is 72, 2 times 18 is 36, 2 times 9 is 18, 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 1 is 3. So all these numbers are prime numbers, and this is the prime factorization of 72. So 2 is there 3 times, so 2 to the power of 3, and 3 is there twice, so 3 to the power of 2. So this is a multiplication sign. This is not a full stop. So if this dot was here, that would be a decimal, but this is in the middle of these two numbers. So the prime factors of 90. 2 times 45 is 90. 3 times 15 is 45. 3 times 5 is 15. And 5 times 1 is 5. So the prime factors of 90, 2 once only, 3 to the power of 2, and 5 once only. So this is the prime factorization of 72, and these are the prime factors of 90. So what's next? So we have three sets of numbers, and the method is quite simple. Just remove the number that is not common to all three sets. So 5 is not common to all three sets. So 5 is a factor of 90. It is not a factor of 72. It is not a factor of 36. So we can cross this out. Next, find the smallest prime number, which is 2, and the smallest prime number in all three sets with the smallest power is just there, 2. So 2, just write down 2 separately. Now the next prime number is 3, and 3 with the smallest power in all three sets is 3 to the power of 2 in all three cases in this case. So 3 to the power of 2. So this means that 2 times 3 times 3, which is 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 3 is 18. So 18 is the highest common factor of all three numbers. 18 is the highest common factor of all three numbers. So 18 times 2 is 36, and 18 times 4 is 72, and 18 times 5 is 90. As you can see, 18 is a factor of all three numbers, and it is the highest common factor of these three numbers, and that's how you can find highest common factor of two or more numbers. I'll do one more. 27 and 36. So prime factorization of 27, only 3 can be used for this number. So 3 times 9 is 27, and 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 1 is 3. So the prime factors of 27, 3 to the power of 3. Prime factors of 36, 2 times 18 is 36, 2 times 9 is 18, 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 1 is 3. So the prime factors of 36. So prime factors, so these were the prime factors of 27, and prime factors of 36 are 2 to the power of 2 and 3 to the power of 2. So let me make some room. So the prime factors of 27 were 3 to the power of 3, and the prime factors of 36 were 2 to the power of 2 and then 3 to the power of 2. So the numbers that are not common in both sets, this one only, 2 can be crossed off, and 3 with the smallest power is this one. So 3 to the power of 2 is the highest common factor of 27 and 36, which means 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 is the highest common factor of these two numbers. 9 times 3 is 27, and 9 times 4 is 36. And I hope that explains the concepts, and I hope that you would be able to find the highest common factor of two or more numbers using prime factorization. And you can download this worksheet from, so this is the same worksheet that I've used. You can download this worksheet from this website here. Thank you very much.